Hi, in this video we're going to cover profit software. Every seller needs to have some sort of monitoring software for their business, their products and their performance to see, one, how much sales they're doing for their account and their products, but then also how much actual net profit they're making. And it's ideal if the software also pulls in things like the storage costs, the inbound fees, the labeling fees, inventory placement fees. Zillionaire covers all of that. It's all included. There's dozens and dozens of fees from Amazon that we pull in, as well as your own custom expenses. And the reason to have this software is so you can see today, yesterday, this week, this month, how much actual profit your business is generating, what's going on. So the software is basically a real-time analysis of your business and product performance. And no, you shouldn't make decisions on a product based on the sales over the last hour. Of course not, everyone knows that. But by having real-time data, you can see if something's off. If every day you sell 30 units and suddenly you're down to just 6 today, then you know you can respond, you can see what's going on, and you can make adjustments and changes. It could be that Amazon's transferring some of your stock and it's reserved. It could be that your competitor has suddenly dropped your price. It could be that there's an issue with your listing, and sometimes the Amazon algorithm flags listings for no reason. But by having real-time monitoring of your products and your business, you can adjust to things much, much quicker. Instead of waiting for the end of the month for your accounts and seeing how you're performing, you can actually see what's going on all the time. And I log in every day to check how our business is doing, look at the different aspects of the account, the products, the inventory. Everything can be seen in a single dashboard. So it's really, really helpful. So what else might you use a profit software for? Okay, so first of all is you want to know overall how your Amazon account and business is performing. And if you have multiple accounts in different countries, then it's great because all of that data can be pulled into a single place as well for you to compare the different accounts and see. One account by account, you can look at the dashboard and see, how Europe's doing, how America's doing, how Canada's doing, for example. The other thing you want to see for your account is, how many total sales have I got revenue? How many total orders? How many units? Refunds? Are there a lot of refunds? What's my cost of goods? What's going to be my net cash flow coming in from Amazon? And how much actual profit have I made this week? And what I found is by using a profit software is I spot things much, much sooner rather than waiting to the end of the month and saying, oh, what's this expense on my credit card? Why are we charged $500 here? It's much, much easier to see what's going on when you really know your numbers and you know how your business is doing. And using this tool also, you can see how your business is changing month to month, year to year as well. So you can get a bigger picture of what you need to do to drive growth. The next great thing that a profit software like Zillionaire can do is you can drill into your individual products. So you can see, okay, product A, B, and C, they're selling fine. Product D, wow, it's taking off. The sales have gone up. We should reorder, get more stock in. Product E, why is it losing us money? The refunds are really high. What's gone on there? Do we have a quality issue? By having this real time, you're spotting these kind of things sooner. Imagine you had suddenly your returns increasing on one of your products. You can then quickly request that Amazon do an inventory bin check, and you can get rid of the bad products before it becomes negative reviews and even a ban for that product on Amazon, because you're responding in real time. I mean, if you wait for Amazon to tell you or for the end of the month, you'll be in trouble. And the other thing is the opposite too. If you're selling more suddenly, you can look into the reasons why, get that stock in, inventory, everything. So having the data in front of you clearly on a great dashboard, which is what Zillionaire does, gives you that ability to then see what's going on with your products and your business and respond. It's like having a map when you're trying to go from one city to another. Imagine driving without a map and just following the signs. It's difficult. But if you've got a map, if you've got a navigation system like Zillionaire in place, you can see and respond to changes as you need to. The other thing that a profit software should do is pull in other costs. So Zillionaire lets you do that. For example, you can put in the soft cost of a software, your marketing costs, your rental, your office costs, your staff costs, all of that into the tool, and it will take that off your net profit every month. So it's a real net profit calculation. And finally, the other great thing is you can manage things like your Amazon PPC, see your conversion rate, your inventory, etc. in the tool. So it's not just a profits tool, it has additional functionality as well. But the key really is, whether you choose Zillionaire or you choose another tool, is that you need to be looking at these numbers on a regular basis. And if you're the owner and you're responsible, you need to log in daily and see how your business is performing. You don't necessarily have to do it at the weekend. Things aren't going to go crazy if you leave it for 48 hours. Though, you never know with Amazon, things change very suddenly. It's better to have some sort of alerts or VA set up so that someone is checking at least once a day on everything to make sure the account and products are all doing okay. Are you looking to grow your Amazon business? Zillionaire is the best Amazon metrics software. It has dozens of great features, including real-time profit and loss, inventory management, Amazon PPC ad optimization, custom dashboards, and much, much more. Head on over to zillionaire.com and sign up today. The link is in the description below.